Are you ready to take your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or other wireless-based applications into mass production effortlessly with Renesas connectivity solutions? As many of you know, transitioning from development to mass production can be a challenging process. Once your application is ready, you still need to manage programming challenges, digital and analog testing complexities, and RF validation testing hurdles. These steps can feel overwhelming, especially when efficiency, consistency, and quality are critical. That's why we created the production line tool, or simply PLT, a one-of-a-kind solution that simplifies the entire process. The PLT is a plug-and-play solution that automates your production testing. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, setup is quick and easy. You can even set up 32 devices to test in parallel. With just a few clicks, configure the PLT to match your testing needs. Its high throughput keeps your production line moving. No bottlenecks, no delays. Require application-specific test code? No problem. With provisions for custom tests, you can tailor the PLT to your exact requirements. This makes the PLT a unique and versatile tool in the market. Here's how it works. Your PC runs the PLT software, sending test instructions to the PLT. These include test software and commands. The PLT communicates with each device under test, executing RF tests, crystal trimming, programming, and more. Once testing is complete, results are instantly displayed on your PC. Just like that, up to 32 devices tested, programmed, and ready. And it doesn't stop at the basics. The PLT supports memory programming, RSSI testing, I/O testing, and peripheral testing, external 32 kHz crystal testing, current measurement, and more. You can create your own custom test for your specific application needs. Renesas Connectivity Production Line Toolkit delivers endless solution possibilities to major manufacturing challenges. With the Renesas PLT, you get effortless programming, seamless testing, and reliable RF validation, all in one toolkit. Ready to streamline your wireless production? Visit Renesas website to learn more about the Renesas production line tool.